Hey guys, I'm Scotty from Street Machine Carnage and welcome to an exciting new project that we'll be bringing back to life with a little help from our friends at Rust-Oleum Motospray. This car is a 1968 Valiant Safari Wagon and it has definitely seen better days. The floor is very rusty and there's also some rust in a few other places, but we won't know the full extent until we pull the car apart. So our plan is to use Rust-Oleum Motospray products to prepare, repair, finish and protect our Valiant wagon and show you guys how to do the same with your own precious rides. Cool cars such as these are getting rarer by the day and certainly much more expensive. This car is definitely worth saving, and when we're finished, it will be a very cool ride. All we've done so far is go pick the car up and bring it down to the Carnage workshop where we stripped out the seized engine and that very tired interior. But very shortly we're going to get the wagon back in the workshop, pull it down and see what we're working with. To start our journey, we're going to prepare our project by stripping back all the old paint and rust using Rust-Oleum Motospray's impressive range of products. Then we'll repair the affected areas with new metal, maybe a little body filler, before coating the surfaces in putty and primer. From there, we'll finish our work with underbody sealer, sound deadener, and Motospray acrylic lacquer. Finally, we'll protect the finished product so it'll last a lifetime and we can enjoy our wagon long into the future. So look out for our series to start soon. It's going to be a lot of work, but sure to be a lot of fun.